Welcome to Minexa.ai. I'll show you how to scrape SaaS product listings easily with no scraping knowledge needed, fully API ready too. Go to the page on appsumo.com where your SaaS listings are already displayed, not a search form. At this point, just click the icon in the top right corner to open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension. The panel is open. Press the violet button I'm on the right page, and Minexa runs its automatic page scan to detect SaaS listings. Pagination detected. Minexa will move through every page automatically to get all SaaS listings. Now, select List Mode, or have Minexa open and scrape the detail page of each product listing. Continue for straightforward pages, or choose Advanced if a click, input, or scroll is needed before the list appears. The highlighted block is your dataset. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa learns the page once and reuses it for future runs. Every piece of data is detected automatically. Select what you need like product names, prices, and reviews, then move on. For developers, click API Request. It's much cheaper than passing each page to a language model at scale. Click Complete Configuration to finalize and save your scraper settings. The navigation button is already detected. Adjust if needed, then continue to the next step. Click Complete Setup. You can add a schedule now if you want fresh data regularly. The scraper is set. Hit Run and extraction begins immediately. This entire dataset was produced without passing a single full page to a language model. The trained scraper targets exact positions directly, making it faster and dramatically cheaper at scale. You get clean data like product names, pricing, discounts, and user reviews instantly. Click Export to download your data. Each field is in its own column, each item in its own row, ready for analysis. Minexa turns any website into a dataset automatically. No code is required, and developers can handle millions of pages with a single scraper ID for consistent output.